Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins with carefully sourced water. At massive scale, precision starts before the factory doors. Sweetness is measured long before mixing begins. Carbonation gives Coca-Cola its signature bite. The formula arrives under strict control. Every element is aligned for one purpose. Now, Coca-Cola begins to take form. Inside the plant, movement never stops.
Every route is calculated to the millisecond.
Logistics keep the process alive. Packaging begins its own journey. Every movement is monitored in real time. This is where Coca-Cola truly comes together. At this scale, Coca-Cola operates like a small city.
Every arrival is logged and controlled.
Millions of bottles arrive before filling ever begins. Support systems power every second of production. Human precision guides automated scale. Every bottle begins its final journey here. No moisture is left to chance. Machines see what human eyes cannot. Purity starts at the smallest detail. Speed and control move in harmony. Everything is aligned for precision.
Flavor is controlled down to fractions of a second.
Consistency defines every batch. Only perfectly refined syrup moves forward. Balance is everything at this stake. Carbonation gives Coca-Cola its life. Stability ensures uniformity. Now, Coca-Cola meets the bottle. Precision is verified in real time. Millions of bottles, one exact standard. Sealing locks in freshness instantly. Integrity is checked without slowing down. Cleanliness extends beyond the inside.
Every surface is prepared for identity.
Branding arrives at exact speed. Identity is applied in milliseconds. Uniformity defines a global brand. Automation keeps chaos under control.
Every second is recalculated in real time.
Flow is protected at all costs. Traceability is built into every bottle. Robots prepare for the final assembly.
The finish line is now in sight.
Speed meets precision without compromise.
Accuracy is verified one last time.
Human oversight completes automation.
The product is now ready for distribution.
Quality is checked continuously, not occasionally.
Testing never interrupts the flow. Every parameter is measured precisely.
The formula is protected by science.
Only approved product moves forward. Finished products are prepared for global movement.
Storage is organized for instant dispatch.
From here, Coca-Cola reaches the world. And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.